up guys? I'm back for another video. I just got back from a trip last night and I realized that I haven't uploaded in over a week. That's not like me at all. I usually like to have at least 1 or 2 videos up every week. So today I wanted to sit down and film a video for you guys and hopefully upload this by tonight. Please excuse if you see my eyes getting a little watery or you see me sniffling. It's because the cold has hit and I'm getting sick. A while back, a company called Priseer reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their app. I went on their app and I was a little shook because their app is very, and I mean very similar to Wish. And I'm sure all of you guys are familiar with Wish. They are so popular. I've made many videos on my channel. Priseer is a large shopping app, I'm pretty sure based in China, where they sell very cheap items, and just like Wish, you do have to pay a little extra for shipping. So I saw that they had a bunch of items under $1, and I don't know if you guys know this, but I actually started my channel doing videos like these where I would try out $1 items from Wish. So in this video I kind of wanted to bring back that style. So I picked out a bunch of different items from different categories on the Priseer app that are all $1 or under plus shipping. I've had this bag sitting waiting to do a video for a while now. Since I don't really have any other video ideas for today, I'm like, why not get into this bag and share with you guys these items? But okay, I'm done rambling. Let's just jump into the bag. The first item is actually the weirdest one. 2 pillowcases. This is the first one. It is a... I'm not really sure what the symbol is, but yeah, it's a pillowcase. But then the second one looks like this. This one is supposed to have like a marble design. It just feels like a really stiff grocery bag. What can I expect though, right? It was under $1. Don't worry, I got some pretty cool stuff in here though. So the next thing that I got is these, which is a pair of sunglasses. I think these are like 60 cents or something. Meow. That was my impression of a cat. Look at these adorable little kitty glasses. Ah, totally worth it. Next, I got something random. Saw this flask. I just thought it looked like a Louis Vuitton pattern. Again, it was under $1. Look at how cute this is. It's pretty good quality. Put your alcohol in there, drink it up. I didn't expect it to be this big. This is like as big as my face. So I think that's pretty cool because it was so darn cheap. I'm actually gonna be giving this away to a friend. I know she would appreciate it. Pretty cool. I don't know what I was doing with that. But moving on, I did get some makeup. I got a palette just to show you guys what a palette under $1 would look like. Now, if any of these items that I'm sharing with you guys in this video are still in stock, I will try to leave them in my description box below. But if not, I will try to look for this same item sold by like a different seller or something. I found this cute Mermaid Fantasy eyeshadow palette and this is what it looks like on the inside. It actually says, "You are unbelievably beautiful." And then it has like 6 different shades and this one's like a rainbow shade. I don't know. It's a pretty interesting palette. Let's see what a swatch is like. I tried swatching some of these, but even like to the touch, feels so hard. Feels like chalk. Could barely get any pigment on to swatch. But regardless, it was under $1, so I think it's still totally worth it. These colors might be a little hard to work with, but are still pretty beautiful. And this whole little mermaid palette is so adorable. I'm sure you can already guess I'm gonna give this to my daughter because she loves anything mermaid related. I got this. This again is another very random item. This is a face and body hair threading system. Looks like this. Open it up. This is what it looks like. It's got like the thread set up and then I guess you press. Let me show you. Oh, can you guys see this? Press like this and it's supposed to thread your hair. So let's try it out. I'm scared. Ah! Let's try again. You guys see? That hurt, but it worked. Oh, it's so irritating. Oh, that hurt. It's making my eyes water. I've always wanted to try the threading method for hair removal, but I've always been a little bit scared and I didn't think it would work, but this works so well and quickly. It does hurt though, so keep that in mind. I'm actually gonna use this all the time from now on. This is so quick. Got another pair of glasses. Sunglasses is something they advertise a lot when it comes to websites that are super cheap. So, you know, I always have to get a pair of sunglasses. These ones are white, and these are, again, cat-eyed sunglasses. Oh, I actually like these. Damn, these are big. What do you guys think? I think this quality is really great. These were like 80 cents. Like, what? Moving on. I got this. Can you guys guess what this is? No? Oh, okay. I am Queen Melina. Oh gosh. Okay, yes, I got a crown. This is, I guess, supposed to be like a princess bridal crown, but it doesn't have like anything. I don't know if you guys can see, but it doesn't have anything to hold it onto your head. I guess the only thing you could do is just place it and hope it stays there like that, but it's probably gonna fall off if you move too much. But I think it is a really beautiful crown, as you can see for yourself. And the fact that it was under $1 plus shipping, it's crazy. I feel like a crown belongs on my head in general, so it's hard to take this off. It's right where it belongs. I'm the queen of everything. But speaking of being a queen, I got another item that resembles what I am. Boss. Yes, you heard that correctly, ladies and gentlemen. I am a queen and a boss. Yes, I got a boss necklace. Now, I did not expect this to be as big as it really is. I thought it would be a lot smaller. The fact that it was under $1 and it still has the gold color and hasn't turned green yet is a thumbs up for me. I hope it stays this way because I'm probably gonna use it as a decoration on my vanity or something like that. This was totally a steal. So far, these two items are my favorite. Got this little thing. These are 3 different mermaid necklaces. These were literally the cheapest, like 20 cents or something. Ooh, this is cute. Can you see that? And these ones are the same, just different colors. Again, 20 cents for a little necklace like this. I did also get a clothing piece as well, and I did find a dress under $1. It is this black faux leather dress. It came with a matching thong. That's a little weird, but okay. And the dress itself feels, as expected, very stiff, not very comfortable. Okay, this is what the dress looks like on. It's definitely way too loose for me. If it was like this, it would have been a little better, but this is what I have to work with. I can't believe how cheap this was, and it's actually not that bad. I got this. For some reason they sent me 2. Okay. It is little measuring cups, and these were crazy cheap, like 30 cents. If you know me, I love to cook, so of course I had to get some measuring cups, and I actually really like them. I found a wig under $1 and I couldn't believe how cheap it was. This is like a ombre wig, and I was surprised that I actually found one under $1. I noticed the shipping was really up there. So with all the items that I shared so far, the shipping was just $1. This wig was listed under $1, but the shipping was a little more up there, so I guess that makes sense. Reminds me just like the Wish app. You know how like they have items that are advertised as free, but then you pay extra for shipping? Let me try on this wig. I really did not want to mess my hair because I have to go to my mom's birthday party in 30 minutes, so I hate this, but okay. What do you guys think? pretty sexy, huh? Look at me. Damn, who are you with that beautiful hair? Okay, in all honesty, it looks pretty good. A fun wig to have to confuse people sometimes, you know. This part keeps like falling out in the front. It keeps getting in my face, so I'm just gonna take it off. But that was the wig. Now, last but not least, I got a phone case. I didn't have a huge selection of phone cases. I picked out this one, and this one is this fun crystal-y rubber phone case with hearts everywhere. Fits perfectly, and I am loving it. Again, another really great steal for such a low price. Totally worth it. That was the last item in this very cheap haul. I was pretty pleasantly surprised with all of these items, and I think Priseer is such a cool app. You could download it on an iPhone or any smartphone, I believe, or you could also just go online on their website. So if you guys want me to try out other items from their app, let me know in the comments, or just give this video a thumbs up. Also, let me know if you guys have any other really cool apps or sites you want me to go try out and do a haul video on. I am currently editing my vacation vlog. I can't wait for you guys to see that video. But until then, I hope you guys subscribe, click that notification bell to stay notified. You guys know how much I appreciate you for spending some of your time here with me. I really hope you all have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!